The charts are red, the candles are bleeding, and within half an hour, over $200 billion was wiped off the global crypto market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Sui, Atom all plunged at once. Traders froze. Some called it the Black Friday of October. This is the biggest crypto crash of 2025, and the question everyone's asking tonight is simple. Is this the end, or the final dip before the next bull run explodes? Let's rewind what just happened. It started with a bombshell announcement out of Washington: new 100% tariffs on Chinese tech exports and restrictions on AI chips and software. Markets panicked instantly, risk assets dumped, and Bitcoin, the king of crypto, nosedived from $113,000 straight down to $105,000 in under 30 minutes. That drop triggered a domino effect. Billions in leveraged positions started liquidating. In just half an hour, over $2.8 billion in longs were liquidated across Binance, Bybit, and OKX. And when those positions closed, the system cascaded even harder. The entire market lost $200 billion in total value, gone in less than half an hour. Ethereum slid below $4,400, Solana fell over 40%, and coins like Sui, Atom, Apt, and INJ, some of the most hyped altcoins of this cycle, collapsed by more than 50 to 100% on smaller exchanges during the panic. For a few minutes, prices literally glitched. Charts showed Sui hitting 80 cents, Atom flashing under $2.90, and INJ momentarily down 90%. These weren't rug pulls, they were liquidation cascades. Social media exploded, rumors started spreading. 2,000 investors ended their live streams mid-trade, accounts liquidated in seconds, people crying on camera. Now let's be clear, that number isn't confirmed, but it reflects how brutal this crash really was. Thousands of traders did get wiped out live. You could feel the fear through every comment section. Meanwhile, whales, the silent hunters of crypto, were already moving. On-chain data shows large wallets buying into the panic, scooping up Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even Sui tokens at fire sale prices. The smart money always shows up when everyone else is running for the exits. And while all this chaos was happening, another layer of pressure hit: ETF outflows. Big funds started pulling money out of Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs, dumping hundreds of millions in redemptions right as volatility peaked. That's why the market tanked so hard, so fast. Even stablecoins wobbled. USDT dropped to $0.987, and USDC briefly touched $0.991. DeFi protocols got slammed, and Ethereum gas fees spiked to over 400 GUI as panic sellers rushed to swap, withdraw, and hedge. So the question now is, was this the end of the bull run, or the final flush before something massive? If history is any guide, these mass liquidations often mark the start of a recovery phase. We saw the same thing in 2021, in 2020's COVID crash, and in 2018's bottom before the last mega run. Whales buy fear, retail sells it. That's the game. Right now, Bitcoin is clinging to $105,000 support. If it holds, the next recovery wave could retest $111,000 to $115,000 in the coming weeks. If not, we could see a dip into the $98,000 to $100,000 zone before buyers return. Ethereum's key level sits around $4,350 to $4,500, and if that breaks upward, expect alts to start crawling back. But here's the truth: this crash was a reset, a purge of leverage, a cleansing of greed. And when that happens, the stage for the next bull cycle begins. So, should you buy the dip? Only if you understand the storm isn't over yet. The smart move is to scale in slowly, watch the on-chain accumulation, and wait for confidence to return. Because when fear peaks, opportunity follows. If you believe in the long term, these moments, as painful as they look, are where future millionaires get built. This is not financial advice, it's a wake-up call. Markets crash fast, but recovery comes even faster once panic fades. So tell me, was this the final shakeout before the biggest bull run of our lives, or just another trap before more blood? Drop your thoughts in the comments because the next green candle might just prove who's right.